Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to change line thickness. So for example, I will create line object. You can type line and then press enter, click the first point and then the second point. Press enter again to close. Now if you want to change this line thickness, you can select the line object and then go to the properties tab. In here you can see we have the line wag tools. You can click and then as example I will set into 0,5. And now to change view in these drawings, you can active for the line wag. Click these icons to active the line thickness. I will create again the line object. You can type line, click at this point. And then you can select the line object, go to the line wag, and then you can change for the line thickness like into 1 millimeter, and it will be automatically applied. If you want to turn off, you can click this icon again. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial, how to change line thickness. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.